Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set the Telnet password on the router. So the first thing I need to do is click on the router and go to the CLI and just press return. Okay, so I can see the banner I set in an earlier lab, and I need to put in the password that I created in the earlier lab. Okay, so I'm into the router now and I'm in unprivileged mode, so I need to type enable to go into privileged mode, and I need to type configure terminal to get me into global configuration mode. So last time I set a password on the console line into the router. Okay, this time I want to set a password on the Telnet line into the password. So Telnet is a protocol that you can use to remotely access routers or switches using their IP addresses across the network. So I'm going to go to line VTY. Okay, VTY is virtual teletype. It's an old connection protocol, and I need to say which Telnet lines I'm protecting, because every router has 5 from line 0 all the way up to line 4. So I'm going to type 0 and then a space and 4. Okay, so I'm telling it that I'm going to protect the line, I'm going to protect the virtual teletype, and I'm going to do it from port 0 all the way up to port 4. Alright, so I need to press enter and then type whatever password I've been told to type. So in my case I've been told to use password class 3, okay, which I type, and the same as the console password, I need to say that it's going to happen when somebody tries to log in. So I need to type the login command. Okay, and that's set the passwords now. Now I can't test it without having IP addresses set and for telnets set, which I don't have done yet, but take my word for it, when you try to telnet in, you should be asked for a password, and the password that should get you in is the password class 3. So I'm going to exit out of that and exit and exit, and that's it. And in the next lab I'll show you how to set a password for enable mode to protect privileged mode.